Hey, so if Google Tricks aren't loading properly, yeah, like nothing happens or the page just stays normal. That can be pretty annoying. But don't worry, I'll walk you through the exact fixes step by step. First, sure you're using the correct method. Some tricks work by typing exact keywords, while others need a specific website. For example, search "do a barrel roll" directly on Google. But tricks like gravity or anti-gravity need a separate page to load. Now, make sure your internet connection is stable. If the page doesn't fully load, the trick won't run. If the trick still doesn't load, your browser might have JavaScript turned off. And yeah, most Google tricks depend on it. So go into Settings, find Site Settings or Privacy, and turn JavaScript on. Another common reason, browser extensions. Ad blockers or script blockers can stop the trick from loading. Try disabling them temporarily, then reload the page. If it's still not working, yeah, switch browsers. Some tricks don't work properly on every browser. You can try Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox for better results. And finally, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old data can sometimes block scripts from loading. After clearing it, reload the page and try the trick again. So yeah, that's how you fix Google Tricks loading issues. Usually it's just a small setting or browser problem. Try these steps and your trick should start working again. Hey,